You all may be wondering that what is the mysterious box. So don't pressurize your brains. The mysterious box is this Geo Digital Life. You must have understood. That is Geophone 2. So I will be unboxing it in front of you. So let's begin. So this is the Geo Digital Life's box. I'm wondering that why have Geo given this brown box? They should have given colorful box. Here's the bill. Now let's start opening it. Oh, I was wrong. There's a bill, and this is the colorful box which you have given. I that only thought that why have you done this? So this is. I did the review of this Geo phone too late because on the first day only I placed my order, but Geo said that sorry, you are late. In 5 minutes, their almost full stock was sold. So that's why they started making one more stock, and now they have uh, delivered me. I got this parcel yesterday only. Now seeing this Geo phone, we can feel the BlackBerry phone. I will keep it aside. Let's see the accessories what it has. Wow, it has LYF charger, one sticker for warranty, and one Geo phone guide, and one terms and conditions. And last but not the least, this is the 2000 mAh battery. Now let's read the features given in the box. We can watch simply by connecting a cable, designed in India for India. These are the barcodes. I don't know for what are they. And Geophone, India ka smartphone F300B. Now behind all the details are given, as you can read, 2999 and plus 90 rupees of delivery which I give. Now next thing, the Geo services powered by Kai OS. That's good. In the description, I have given the success story of Geo phones. So please take a look at that. Now let's open the battery slot and see whether the SIM cards, how many can we insert. So there's a good news that they have inserted one Geo SIM card. As you can see, it's here. Memory card and our battery. So this is the battery. Now let's cautiously insert it. The battery has a laser printing of LYF. So let's switch on this phone. Wow, it has on. And you can see Geo powered by Kai OS. That's their new operating. Okay, so it has opened. And now first we need to select our language. I will select English. Now these are terms and conditions. Now I will accept it. Okay, accept. And the home screen has appeared. The same, the screen is same as your phone, but they have provided a larger display. This is contacts alerts. Now we will go in the main menu. Wow. And these are those few apps of Geo: Call Log, Contacts, Geo Store, like Play Store. Facebook is given, and Google Assistant, Geo Chat, Geo TV, Camera. Let's open the camera. Allow. Okay. So see, this is the camera. Actually, its quality is better than the Geo phone 1. Now let's go in options and see. Now let's click rear camera and now front camera. So see, this is the rear camera. Wait, I will keep the flash off. So as you can see, I am recording with my phone. For the features, that is GeoTV, GeoChat, Geo and Google Assistant, then calendar, gallery, clock, FM radio, calculator, and settings are given. Let's go to settings. Aeroplane mode is given, mobile data is given, Wi-Fi connection is also given, Bluetooth is given, NFC is given, geolocation is also given, and SIM manager. Let's see. SIM 1 and SIM 2. Wow, we can insert two SIM cards. Let's go back. Now call settings, emergency alert, and that's it. Now personalization, sound, display, search, alerts, date and time, language, input methods, now privacy and security, screen lock, app permission, do not track, browsing privacy, and that's it. Now let's go to storage. 2.41 GB storage is there. USB storage disabled. I will be enabling it. It has media storage, application data, system storage of 2.39 GB used. Okay. Now let's go to device, software update. That all are given in the instruction manual, so I won't read it. Now, okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification of my channel. Thank you, keep watching. And also please see the success story of Geo phone in the description below. I will upload my next video on next Sunday, means 7 days after. Till then, keep watching.